Executive 125, there's a police drone near the parking garage on short final operating 75 feet and below. Should be no factor.
Executive 125, thanks.
Southwest 794, contact SoCal departure.
Order departure, Southwest 794. The back tower, good afternoon, Japan 66 Heavy, visual approach runway 27.
Japan Air 66 Heavy, Landmark Tower, runway 27, clear to land.
Japan Air 66 runway 27, clear to land.
Japan Air 66 Heavy, we just got reports of a drone about a half mile short of the approach end to runway 27, operating about 75 feet and below. Use caution.
Japan Air 66, thank you. Use caution.
Attention all aircraft information, hotel now current for drone activity, altimeter 29er9er9er.
San Diego Tower, American 2050, runway 27.
American 2050, Lumber Tower, caution turbulence following heavy Boeing 787, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 27, American 2050.
American 2050, we're getting reports of an unauthorized drone about 75 feet and below, just short of the 27, just short of 27, right on the parking garage area. Unauthorized drone reported at 75 feet.
Okay, copy all. We'll search for it, American 2050.
San Diego Tower, Alaska 15, RNF 27.
Alaska 15, Lumber Tower, traffic will hold in position. Additionally, we're getting reports of an unauthorized drone about 1/2 mile off the departure, sorry, off the arrival end, over the parking garage, 75 feet and below. Use caution. You are clear to land.
Clear to land 27, Alaska 15.
Tower Delta 1296 for 27.
Southwest 1860, Lumber Tower, traffic 5 mile, final 27, line up and wait, be ready to go.
Alright, line up and wait 27, we'll be ready.
Delta 1296, Lumber Tower, traffic holding in position. Additionally, a drone has been reported unauthorized 1/2 mile prior to the approach end, 75 feet and below. Use caution, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, look for Delta 1296.
Skywest 3490, Lumber Tower, caution drone activity reported unauthorized 1/2 mile short of final, near the parking garage, 75 feet and below. Runway 27, you're clear to land.
Copy all 27 to land, Skywest 3490.
Landmark Tower, Southwest 1795, we're about a 7 mile final, 27.
Southwest 1795, Lumber Tower, runway 27, clear to land. There has been reported unauthorized drone activity 1/2 mile prior to the approach end over the parking garage at 75 feet.
Alright, clear to land 27, Southwest 1795.
Delta 1296, turn left, Bravo 8, expedite off, right onto Bravo, traffic 1 mile final.
Bravo 8, right on Bravo, Delta 1296.
Look at that, someone's flying a drone right in almost the flight path of SAN.
Southwest 43, 18, runway 27, clear for immediate takeoff.
Southwest 43, clear for takeoff, 27.
Look at this thing. That's how close it is to my camera. Right below the flight path of SAN. Unbelievable. That was a MOA 1 with Southwest.